Wake up, sunshine, the brightest sky. Find me on this journey. Leave your troubles.
Hello there guys, welcome to another vlog. So today is Friday and it is in the morning. I am wearing a quick little outfit. My shirt's kind of wrinkled. I'm a little embarrassed, but I was too lazy to iron it. So am I really embarrassed? Anyways, so I'm currently uploading my video for today. I decided to change my video uploading days from Monday, Wednesday, Friday to just Monday and Friday, just to give myself a little bit of grace, because I want to edit a little bit more on my videos and just add a little bit more pizzazz to them. So we have that going. So I am about to go to the bank with my mom to kind of help her do some things, just run some errands, but I will talk to you guys later. I just wanted to come on here, say good morning, and tell you that you were very beautiful. So I will see you guys a little later.
Wake up, sunshine, the brightest sky.
Guys, I am really cold right now. Like, it wasn't cold outside, but in my house it is pretty cold. So I am here. I'm actually just watching some YouTube videos. I'm trying to find like smaller YouTubers to watch. I don't know, I just feel like I've always been like that. Like, I've always liked smaller YouTubers. Not that like after they get big or anything I just stop watching them, but I don't know, I just like supporting them from like the beginning. So I like to like find smaller YouTubers and then like watch them grow. I don't know, I just think it's a beautiful thing. But yeah, I've just been looking at like different YouTubers and then just adjusting to like the type of videos that I like, you know, just checking out their content. But I've been doing that for a little bit, but I am freezing. And guys, I am gonna go see Maddie and Tay this month, but I don't know if it's gonna get canceled because of the virus and everything that's going around, you know what I mean? Cases have gone up and stuff, so, you know, obviously everyone wants to be safe, and it's better to be safe than sorry, so we'll see what happens. But yesterday, Maddie and Tay released their new song. It's called Strangers, and oh my goodness, guys, like, I listened to it this morning and I almost cried. I sent it to Spencer, and I don't know, it's just such a beautiful song. It's country, but it's such a beautiful song, and like, I feel like it just captures when you love someone, like, you don't remember what it's like to have never had them in your life. And it's just such a beautiful song, and I sent it to him and I'm like, this is exactly how I feel. And I don't know, I just thought it was such a cute song. They have really good songs. I'm really excited for their album that's coming up. But yeah, just wanted to update you guys. I'm about to go eat right now, and I'm just hanging out in my room relaxing before I go back to work. But yeah, so I just want to let you guys know I'll probably play some Pokemon right now because I've been on a Pokemon kick. So yeah, just wanted to come on here, let you guys know what's up, what's going on.
Find me on this journey.
Guys, guess what? I'm with Spencer, and we have Cinnamon here in the car with us because we're about to take Cinnamon and Deku out for a walk. Well, they're gonna have like I guess it's a walk in the park, right? Like, they're gonna go play in the park a little bit. So we're gonna go. We're very excited because it's been a while since we last took them out. I only have Cinnamon with me because I didn't want to take them all with me because it's been a while since we've gone out. So, you know, we're just gonna ease our way into it again. But I am also really excited, guys, because we have a tripod now. Amazon just delivered it, and I'll probably show you guys a little later, but I'm really excited, guys. You have no idea. Or maybe I'll insert a picture. I think I took a picture of it. I sent it to you, right, babe?
Yes.
Yes, so I'll go ahead and insert a picture, but I finally got a tripod, so we are going to be doing better angles now. So I'm very, very excited about that. So now look at us almost being professional YouTubers, babe. But yeah, I also got the camera packs that I told you guys that I wanted. So I got the little 3 camera packs, which are great. So I actually have one here, an extra one just in case the camera dies, so now we can film a little bit more. But I do have one of those, so I just wanted to let you guys know what was going on. You know, we're having a great Friday so far.
Leave your troubles far behind.
Guys, I am here with Cinnamon. We are at Spencer's house. We were just waiting for him to bring out Deku. He is a lot bigger. I don't know, have we ever shown him to you guys on camera? I'm not sure. He's a German Shepherd. He's a very, very beautiful dog. He's like a little baby. So he's gonna bring him. You guys can maybe meet him. I'm pretty sure you guys haven't met him, but you guys can meet him. He's like our other puppy. so you guys can go ahead and meet him. And yeah, we're just gonna hang out for a little bit, and we're gonna wait because Spencer went inside to go get Deku, and then he went to go get like the collapsible bowls and a bottle of water. So he's doing that, and we're just here waiting, relaxing. Guys, here's Deku. So that is Spencer's dog, which means he's now my dog. But yeah, he's right there. He's excited to see Cinnamon. Cinnamon not so much because Deku's still a puppy. He's about a year and a half now, maybe?
A little less than a year.
A little less than a year and a half. And Cinnamon's 5 years old, so he's like, I ain't dealing with this right now. That's too much energy for me. But yeah, we're gonna take him out for a walk. But yeah, he's right there. He's being a little cutie pie. He's really good. He's super sweet.
He's really good in the car too, actually.
Yeah, he's really great in the car. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead, head to the park, and we will show you guys our little park trip.
It's a new day, yeah. Lights out, I know it's our time. You and me are free tonight. What would we become if we don't take our chance, yeah.
Okay guys, so we are outside. There's no one around. Spencer's playing with Deku over there. I don't know if you guys can see him. Can't really tell because of the sun, but they're over there. I'm with Cinnamon down here. He's just sniffing around. The park is really empty, which is nice. But yeah, we're just hanging out. And after this, I'm not sure what we're gonna do. We might go eat since we're always eating. But yeah, we're just kind of hanging out. There's a lot of crows today, actually. But the scene's really pretty. There's a lot of really nice trees. I feel like you could definitely take pictures in there. Like, definitely, like some really cute ones. But yeah, it's so cute. Look, Spencer's over there. And then he's like having Deku chase the ball. He looks so precious. But yeah. Looks like he's having a really nice time, actually. So Cinnamon is here. He looks like he's pretty much done. Deku is pretty tired as well. So yeah, we're probably gonna head out very soon, right, babe?
Yeah, Deku drank a whole bottle of water.
Yeah, a whole bottle. Well, Cinnamon
minus like this much.
Yeah, Cinnamon kind of drank it, but Cinnamon's a really special dog. Like,
he's a diva.
Yeah, he didn't want to drink because Deku drank first, and he's just too much sometimes. But we're gonna give him some water right now. I'll make sure to give him some.
No one put us down, down. Time is on our side. We can make our dreams come true. Wake up, sunshine, you're bound to go.
We are about to take the dogs back home. We had a really nice time with them. Deku's right here. Deku, I don't have any treats in my hand. And then Cinnamon's here. We're good. It was really nice, you know. I feel like they really liked it. They were pretty tired by the end of it. We're feeling pretty good. I don't know what we're doing. We might get food, not sure what's happening. But yeah, it's been a really nice laid back Friday so far. My hair looks kind of weird. Hi guys, so we are currently at Spencer's house. We just dropped Deku off. And Spencer's gonna lay down for a little bit while I dust to help him because it's a little dusty in here, just a little bit.
Also, I'm sick.
Yes, he does not feel very good. He has the flu, so yeah. Cinnamon's here. He's just hanging out. Yeah, that's basically what's gonna happen.
Brighter than the brightest star. Well, life won't take us, I don't know, but I want you by my side, yeah. Lights out, I know it's our time. You and me are free tonight, yeah. What would we become if we don't take our chance?
get Chick-fil-A because Spencer loves Chick-fil-A. So we're bringing it back for my whole family. It's gonna be great. But yeah, we're gonna go pick some up. It's gonna be delicious. We'll show you guys what we got.
Yeah, 'cause time is on our side. Yeah. Time is on our side.
Guys, we are home. We just finished eating Chick-fil-A. It was good. Right now I'm currently drinking champurrado. Okay guys, so Spencer is going to leave. I will see him tomorrow, right babe?
Of course.
Tomorrow's Saturday. Here's my honey bunny baby. So yeah, he has a little bit of a cough, so he's gonna go home, sleep, and then we're probably gonna play Pokemon.
Yes.
So yeah, we're gonna do that. I'm gonna drink my champurrado.
Pokemon nerds.
Yeah, Pokemon nerds right now, but you know, low-key can't help it. So yeah. You're just so much...
That's why I fell in love.
Oh, that's why you fell in love?
Yeah.
Because of Pokemon?
Yeah.
Because I like Pokemon, that's the only reason you fell in love with me?
Yeah.
Good to know. Good to know. I'm just kidding. Guys, it's also because I'm beautiful and funny and hilarious, and I love to shop.
I'm just kidding. You're really funny, babe.
Guys, this is just how I make myself feel better. Just kidding. But yeah, no, seriously, he told me that the reason he fell in love with me, well, not the reason he fell in love with me, but the moment he knew that I was the one was because like we were having this conversation. Babe, tell the story. You say it so much better.
We FaceTimed until like 3 in the morning.
And it was like one of the first times we
It was
FaceTimed.
like the first like really long time we FaceTimed. And she was like falling asleep because she can't hang that late. And she's like practically asleep in her bed. And I was like, hey, I'm gonna let you go to sleep now. It's pretty late. And then she just kind of like looks up all like droopy eyed. She's like, what? She's like, oh, okay. I thought I was gonna need to use an escape rope to get out of this conversation. And that's when I fell in love.
Oh my gosh, yeah, that was it, guys. So that's the line that you guys have to use when you're trying to get your man to fall in love with you. I'm just kidding. Anyway, we're gonna go. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.
Good night. Or good morning.
Or good morning.